Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am here with my June June Boxycharm and Allure beauty boxes. You guys, you probably saw in the title, because I think I'm gonna say it in there. One of these is canceled after this because it is just so bad. And I feel like I should save the better one for last. So let's just go into the one that was really, really, really terrible. And that is Allure Beauty Box. I wish that the spoilers for June would have been better so that I would know for sure to cancel before June, because this box is a complete throwaway for me. Like, my friends are going to get everything in it. I'm not keeping anything. It's that bad, at least for my preferences and tastes. And I've already looked at the spoilers for July, which are very like specific. And so I canceled. I can't let's just roll that back a little bit. So, we've been out on the road and this box was sitting at the post office for a while. And I didn't have this box in my hands yet whenever I saw the spoilers for July. And I was like, you know what? No way. I'm going to cancel. So I canceled. And then I got this box later in the day. Hubs went and picked it up. And I opened it and I was so disappointed. So disappointed. And I wish that I had canceled even before this. But I will pop up like a picture of... Did I just hit myself? A picture of what the July box is going to be. It's guest curated by Huda, of Huda Beauty. It has one of her liquid lips in it, which is a red orange. 100% not my thing. And I feel like, come on, shouldn't you at least vary it a little bit? Like, give people a hope for like a color that they might like. And then it has a pair of her lashes in it, which I don't wear lashes. It has... gosh, what else was it? Oh, like a face mask that I'm not really interested in, and something else. And then there was like a variant item. And I did receive an email about the variant items. It was like, oh, pick which one you would most like to receive. And it was like a Cabral in only one shade though, which is not my shade. And it was an Urban Decay black eyeliner, which you just saw my declutter. I don't need more black eyeliners. And then the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, which I do like, and I did choose that as my like most wanted item. But because that is the one item in the box that I would even use, and because they still say even after you choose it, there's no guarantee you're going to receive that, I was like, that's not even worth the $15 to me. Like, it wouldn't even be worth $5. So canceled the house. So let's get into my June one. It was so bad. So bad. So, ooh, this is 100% green. You will maybe not even be able to see this because of the green screen, which should be interesting, but it is a green plastic thingy. It is ripped on the side per the usual. So honestly, I wish that they would just stop even sending these. They're useless to me. So there's that. So here's the thing. I got only, I guess you could call it 2 makeup items, but you'll see. You'll see. So here's the main makeup item. This is the Brow Gal medium brown pencil. This is way, way too dark for me. And I really just don't like these, pencils like this. And also, I just almost cut my finger on this little blade that's here. It's like, why? Girl, I am pissed at this box. Pissed. So here's the next thing. SGX NYC, Salon Graphics. The Do It All 3-in-1 dry texture spray. Sometimes I use these, sometimes I don't, but I have like 3 or 4 sitting on the shelf. There's no point in me even keeping this. I'll just give it to a friend. How many dry texture sprays and dry shampoos can we possibly send in these boxes? Moroccan oil hair treatment. I had one of these before and it was so bad for my hair. It just made it a greasy mess. Even if I used one drop or a whole handful, it doesn't agree with my hair. So that was a fail. The Avene thermal spring water. I have 2 full sizes of these right back there on my little shelf over here that I received in other subscription boxes. And I've received like 3 or 4 of the small sizes over the years. It's like, what is up with this? Like, I don't really like this stuff. It's okay. Sometimes I use it just if I want to like refresh a little bit, but honestly, it's not like I'm bringing this with me whenever I go out or anything. Stop sending it, people. Stop sending it. So this is going. Then we have a Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. If I'm being perfectly honest, I don't like the packaging. It's so boring and dull that it makes me not even want to try the product. It may very well be an amazing product, but I'm uninterested. And probably just because I am so salty about the box in and of itself. But I'm sure my friend can get some use out of this because I have plenty of other eye creams anyway. So there's that. And then the last item is supposedly a makeup item. It is from Floss, and it is my new favorite lip gloss, which, spoiler alert, it's definitely not my new favorite lip gloss. This is what their packaging looks like. Kind of looks like Glossier a little bit, like the same vibe. It is a clear, just basic ass lip gloss. It smells like vanilla cake. And it's just, no. If I'm going to wear just a clear, straight up clear gloss like this, I'm just going to wear chapstick. If I'm going to wear a gloss where I have to like paint it on, I want it to have some shimmer. I want it to have a little bit of color. I want it to have something. And this, honestly, it looks like kids makeup to me. It looks like something you would find in Claire's for like $1, or at the Dollar Tree. Uninterested. So every single item in this box was just complete crap to me. So my friends will benefit from that. I certainly will not, though. I'm just ticked off. Now, if you saw last month's, I did get in both Boxycharm and Allure, like a metallic kind of duochrome liquid eyeshadow, and I had terrible luck applying those. They both performed really terribly. And then I got a couple tips on how to, make them work that you guys have, tried with your own cream type of eyeshadows. And I got home, I got them out of my little garbage pail, tried it again. Nothing works. I don't know if I just happened to get like 2 defective bottles in both boxes. I don't know, but I've tried it with fingers, with the wand, with a brush, with different types of brushes, with primer under, with no primer, with shadow under, with no shadow. It doesn't work. I cannot get any pigment from them at all. So that is a bummer. All right, now let's move into the slightly more positive section with our Boxycharm. So first off, let me say that the kind of main item in the box was going to either be a Tarte eyeshadow palette or a Tarte like blush palette or a Tarte blush highlight contour type palette. I think for regular Boxycharm, we were only going to get either the eyeshadow or the blush, or the eyeshadow or the highlight and contour. One of those other 2 Tarte palettes wasn't available for the regular Boxycharm. But based on my experience with the other Tarte eyeshadow palettes that are round, they were crap, no pigmentation, very limited shade range in like colors in the wheel that you could like make a complete look with. So I was not looking forward to getting that. And then of course, that's what I got. So I was really not happy about that. However, it ended up showing up. I got this one. It is the Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I actually do enjoy the little motif on here. It's kind of hard to see, but kind of reminds me of Blanche's bedroom from the Golden Girls. But anyway, I got it, and it's actually surprisingly good. It does have 4 different matte shades, these 2 and then these 2. So the other couple that I had, I think there was only like 1 matte shade in both of them. And then all the rest were basically the exact same shimmer shade, but like slightly different and slightly different. So this one does have a little bit more, you know, depth to it. And I used it today. I feel like it's a pretty look. It's basic though, but more importantly, the shades did blend out nicely. The shimmer built up nicely. So I do like it. I think that it's pretty good, and I will keep it at least for a little while to see what do I have that's similar, because I know damn well that I have things that are very similar to this. But it is a nice palette, so I'm kind of glad that I got it instead of getting just another blush palette or whatever. So that was not a total loss. I do enjoy that. The next one is the No Problem Prime Essence by Touch in Soul. I think everybody got this, and they did send the No Problem regular primer a few months ago, and I've been trying that out recently. I'm liking it so far, so I was kind of excited to get this. It is very, very watery, but I did use it for the first time today, and what I noticed is whenever I first put it on, it made my skin feel a little bit smoother, but not a whole lot. Like, honestly, I feel like I would probably end up using just the regular primer instead of using like this, but I'll keep working with it and see. The next item that we got is, I think everybody might have gotten this also. It is a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss, lemonade lip gloss in peach tea. And I was pretty excited about this too, because I do like me a gloss lately. Not that nasty clear gloss though. So here it is. It's just a nice, like, kind of basic cream. I don't think that there's any shimmer in here. And it's just kind of like a little peachy moment. Of course it's not going to focus, whatever. It does smell really nice. It smells very strongly of like cake batter, which is okay because it doesn't taste like it on your lips or anything. I'm wearing it today. It is quite sheer. There's not really, like, this color isn't what shows up on your lips at all. It pretty much goes on like a almost just like natural gloss with a hint of a color to it. More like just a tinted gloss, but you can totally see my lips through it and everything. It is comfortable though. It's not sticky, so I do enjoy that. I wish I had one though that was a little bit more like shimmery, where there was a little bit more something going on, but I'll definitely use this. Now to the 2 like variant items. I pretty much got the 2 things that I would prefer not to have received at all, which sucks. I got a Dirty Little Secret lip liner. Not even going to open it. It's going straight to a friend. I don't use lip liner. It is a complete waste for me. So I really wish that they would allow you to say, like, these are the types of products that I would just never use. Please don't include them if at all possible. But mainly, especially for this product, because I got yet another self-tanner, the Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Classic. I don't use self-tanner. It's a pain in the butt. It's too much work. Comes with a mitt. I'm just never going to use it. And so there's yet another thing. There's 2 things out of this box that I just have to get rid of. And I just hate the fact that they keep, not even Boxycharm, but Allure did this also. They keep including self-tanners. Like, not everybody will even fit the shade range of being able to use a self-tanner. But in addition to that, of the people that can use a self-tanner, how many of them actually want to use a self tanner? Like, I feel like it's one of those things where it's like, why would you even include that? So I was annoyed by that. But the three main products, which was the eyeshadow palette, the primer, and the lip gloss, I feel like those were the more like high-end products in here. I do enjoy them. So it wasn't a total loss. I'm definitely going to keep it around. I can't remember. I think I've seen a couple spoilers for the July, and they looked pretty good. So we'll see how that goes, but I will not be getting Allure next month. So next month will just be Boxycharm. I may sign up again for August if it's good, but if it's not, I'm not gonna, because Allure is just wasting my time and money at this point, and I'm not okay with it. So there you go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoyed your boxes this month, if you subscribed to these, or if you kind of got crappy ones also. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye.